Curious about the Grace 19SD? Let's talk about it. The Grace 19SD is a quilt machine designed with the push quilter in mind. It features a large throat and large table space so that you can do any size project easily. In this video, we're going to talk about the features that come with the Grace 19SD as well as dimensions so you can make it you. Let's talk about some of the features of the Grace 19SD. It has foldable leaves for extra space when quilting, but smaller footprint when not in use. The 7-inch touch display puts everything you need at your fingertips. Dual thread masts and stands for separate quilting and bobbin winding. There's a 19-inch throat space, providing plenty of space for any size quilt. Dual optical sensors for regulated stitches, and a foot pedal that keeps your hands free to move around your quilt as you sew your designs. The Grace 19SD comes with a powerful motor, so it can do anywhere from 90 to 2,600 stitches per minute. The 19SD features throat, needle, and bobbin area lights for plenty of visibility. It also features M-class bobbins, which means that you have more bobbin length, meaning less interruptions while you're quilting. Next, let's talk about the dimensions of the Grace 19SD so you know exactly how much quilting space you have. The table dimensions feature a table depth of 34.75 inches. The table height is 29.5 inches to the floor, but also features adjustable feet so that you can get a level, stable working surface. The table comes with foldable leaves. When folded down, the table width is only 34.75 inches. But when you want more space for your quilting, engage the left and right leaves for 77.5 inches of space. As mentioned before, it features 19 inches of throat space, but it also has an arm height of 8.9 inches, which means you don't have to worry about your quilt bunching up when you're trying to get through the throat. The Grace 19SD comes with a variety of features right here on the tablet to help you with your quilting. It features settings for both the tablet and the machine, as well as help guides. In the settings, you can control your screen brightness as well as your area needle brightness. You can choose your needle stop position in either the up or down position. There's even overspeed lights and sound, which you can turn on or off, but on help you gauge your flow so you get the best stitch quality. There's also click sounds so you can hear when you've pressed on the tablet. In the help section, there's lots of information from everything from preparing to quilts, including threading your machine, choosing your needle, bobbin winding and loading, as well as tips on quilting like setting your tension, suggestions for maintenance, including a cleaning guide and oiling guide, as well as common troubleshooting issues to help you get those perfect stitches. The Grace 19SD comes with 3 different quilting modes for you to pick the style that works best for you. First one we're going to talk about is Precise Mode. Precise Mode allows you to set your stitch length to whatever you prefer, and then the optical encoders are going to help the machine keep up with your movements. Our next mode is Cruise Mode. Cruise Mode allows you to set both the length of your stitches and your speed, and then does some little adjustments using the sensors to give you a little bit more control. As you can see, the needle continues to jog in place when you push your foot down. The last mode we're going to talk about is Manual Mode. Manual Mode gives you full control of your quilting for a more traditional feel. You set your speed and move your quilt in the rhythm of that speed to get the stitch length that you want. The Grace 19SD features a control of the speed. You can turn the speed limit off and control completely with your foot pedal based on how you're pressing it down. You can set max speed if you want the speed limit on so that it doesn't go any faster than that when you've mashed the pedal all the way to the ground. You can also control your machine with the buttons that are provided on the screen, including the start-stop button right here. There is a jog forward and jog back button, which slowly lowers or raises your needle to help you get in that perfect position where you want to start. There's also a single stitch button, which is great for pulling up your bobbin thread, and a needle up-down position. When you press it, it goes down. When you press it again, it goes back up, which can also be used to pull up your bobbin or just get you in that perfect placement. Some of the other features of the Grace 19SD you can find under Toolbox. This includes a calculator function for all those quick math things that you need to do while you're quilting. Also features a bobbin estimator, so you get clues as to how close you are to running out of bobbin. And lastly, there's also project and lifetime stitches and hours, so you know as far as lifetime, when's a good time to clean and oil, or for project, if you're charging someone, you can show how much time you spent on it. Well, that's our overview of the Grace 19SD. If you have specific questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below this video, or you can give our sales team a call. And do me a favor, remember to like and subscribe and ring that bell to this channel so you get more support content here at Grace Company Support and Education. And be sure to check out our other YouTube channel for great quilting and inspiration. We'll have some videos coming out soon, specifically on quilting with the Grace 19SD. Until next time, I'm going to get back to push quilting. Bye!